Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. To start, open the control panel from the search, click Uninstall a program. Now select Epic Games Launcher and click Uninstall. Click Yes on the displayed message. You can see that the error appears that Epic Games is still running. To fix it, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Here, select the Epic Games Launcher process and click on End Task to close it. Open the control panel again and try to uninstall Epic Games Launcher again. You can see that this time the process is correct. Here, click Yes to confirm. Wait for the process to continue and click Yes again to configure the services. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see that Epic Games Launcher has been removed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.